We are continuing to talk about exponential growth and decay. Yesterday, we did this worksheet, 1 through 8. So we're going to go on the back and we're going to do a couple of these problems. So y'all are going to do all of them. So I'm going to do number 12 with y'all. Number 12 says, in 2010, an item cost $9. The price increased by 1.5% each year. So it's an increase, 1.5% each year. Write an exponential growth function to represent the situation. So this is exponential growth. So we are going to use this formula where we do 1 plus the rate. Okay. So A is the original. The rate is 1.5%. So it's f of x equals $9 is the original amount. You can just put 9 or you put 9.00, either one. 1 plus, we need to do our rate. 1.5%, so 1.5 out of 100. So write it as a decimal. Or you can move the decimal over. 0.015. So that is our rate. And we're adding it because it's an increase. If it was a decrease, then we would do the decay function. 0.015 to the x. So part A was just to write the function. We do need to go ahead and simplify it. So to simplify it, we're going to add within the parentheses. So 1 plus 0.015. 1.015 raised to the x. So part A is finished. Part B says, how much will it cost in 2030? Round your answer to the nearest cent. So nearest cent is nearest penny, so it's 2 decimal places. So we've got to know what to plug in for how many years. So it was at 2010, and now it's at 2030. So how many years went by? 20 years. So x is 20. So we're going to plug in 20. So we could actually write it as f of 20 equals 9 parentheses 1.015 to the 20 exponent. And I won't make you write it in a sentence this time since there's really not enough room. Make sure you raise it to the year. And it is dealing with money, so it's going to be 12, 12. Round to the nearest dollar. Oh, nearest cent. Sorry, I was looking at that one. Thanks. All right. Let's see. Let's go to another one. Let's go to number 6. A piece of land was purchased, 16, was purchased for 65,000. The value of land has slowly been decreasing by 1% annually. Write an exponential decay function to represent the situation. We're going to find out the original amount, initial amount, which is our A. Decreasing, so we are going to use the decay function. And then our rate is 1%. So 1% is going to be 1 over 100. Mm-hmm. 0.01. Take us back to 100. So we are going to write a decay function. So I'm going to show you my decay function. This is the decay. A parentheses 1 minus r raised to the t. So f of x equals, plug in our a, that's the 65,000, parentheses 1 minus r, so 1 minus 0.01 raised to the x. We do need to go ahead and simplify it. So f of x equals 65,000. 1 minus 0.01, 0.99, that's what's going to go inside the parentheses, raised to the x. How much will the land be worth in 20 years? Round your answer to the nearest dollar. So go ahead and substitute in 20. All right, so we are going to do 20 years, so f of 20 equals 65,000, and then 0.99 raised to the 20. So it's going to be decreasing, right? So it's going to be less than 65,000. Wow. In 20 years, it's only worth 53,000. So it says round to the nearest dollar. So it's going to be, yep, 53,164. All right, so your assignment is to finish this